Hello, welcome to my teaching channel. I am your teacher Denise Umuneza. I'm here teaching Kinyarwanda and also English, but today we are going to focus on Kinyarwanda. And guess what? I'm going to give you the basic numbers of Kinyarwanda. So we're going to count from 1 to 100. And if you know those ones, it will be easy to learn more numbers. Here we go. So we're going to count 1 to 100. We are going to learn how to count, how to read Kinyarwanda numbers. Behind me, you see a whiteboard where I wrote numbers. You're going to repeat after me as usual. Kinyarwanda. Please repeat after me. Kinyarwanda. Let's do numbers. Rimwe. Repeat. Rimwe, kabiri, kabiri. Please repeat. Gatatu, gatatu. Kane, kane. Gatanu, gatanu. Gatandatu, gatandatu. Karindwi, karindwi. Umunani, umunani. Icyenda, icyenda. Icumi, icumi. Now we move from 11 to 20. Cumi na rimwe, cumi na rimwe. Cumi na kabiri, cumi na kabiri. Cumi na gatatu, cumi na gatatu. Cumi na kane, cumi na kane. Cumi na gatanu, cumi na gatanu. Cumi na gatandatu, cumi na gatandatu. Cumi na karindwi, cumi na karindwi. Cumi n'umunani, cumi n'umunani. Cumi n'icyenda, cumi n'icyenda. Makumyabiri, makumyabiri. As you can see, when you know how to count from 1 to 10, it will be much easier to go through 11 to 20 because you take 10 and 1. Cumi na rimwe. 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3. So that means as you know 10, then you continue from 10 and 1, 10 and 2 until 10 and 9, which is 19. And then makumyabiri, which is 20. If you want to go from 20 to 30, you do the same. You take 20 plus 1. Makumyabiri na rimwe. So na means end. So it's 20 and 1. 22 will be, can you try? You got it? Makumyabiri na kabiri. So you take makumyabiri plus kabiri. And don't forget to put the na in between. Makumyabiri na kabiri. Makumyabiri na gatatu. Makumyabiri na kane, and so on. Until 29, makumyabiri n'icyenda. And then we go from the 10 to 100. I want to put all the 10s together so you can see the difference. The first two are different. We have ichumi. Ichumi, that's 10. You have seen it before. Makumyabiri, 20. You see, those two are different. But when you start from 30 to 90, there is a pattern. There will be mirongo, and then put the number. Mirongo itatu, those are two words. That's how it's supposed to be. But when you read as if it's one word. So you say mirongo itatu. So there will be a connection here between these numbers. Mirongo itatu. So I just wanted to explain the liaison. We call it liaison in French, liaison. In Kinyarwanda also we combine, so we blend, we combine two vowels. Then we read mirongo itatu. And then let's go. Mirongo itatu. Mirongo itatu. Mirongo ine. Mirongo ine. Mirongo itanu. Mirongo itanu. Mirongo itandatu. Mirongo itandatu. Mirongo irindwi. Mirongo irindwi. Mirongo inani. Mirongo inani. Mirongo icyenda. Mirongo icyenda. Ijana. Ijana. That's 100. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. It was fun to read those numbers, and I hope you also had fun repeating. I know the pronunciation is not that easy, but slowly you are going to get there. Baravuga mu Kinyarwanda, buhoro buhoro nirwo rugendo. Slowly you will get there. Thank you. Those are numbers in Kinyarwanda from 1 to 100. You're going to learn how to count in Kinyarwanda. So I hope next time when we get back to more numbers or higher numbers, you will be already master in these Kinyarwanda basic numbers. Thank you. Murakoze, umugoroba mwiza. Have a good evening. Bye.